Mastering everyday English. I'm making pancakes, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to break down a very common and cozy phrase you might hear in English-speaking homes. I'm making pancakes. This simple sentence is packed with meaning and offers a great opportunity to understand English grammar and cultural context. So, let's get started. I'm making pancakes is a straightforward sentence that tells someone what the speaker is currently doing. But let's dissect it a bit to fully grasp its components. I'm is a contraction of I am, indicating the subject and the present continuous tense of the verb to be. Making is the main verb here, showing an action that is happening right now. Pancakes is the object of the verb, making, telling us what is being made. This sentence is a perfect example of the present continuous tense, used to describe actions that are happening at the moment of speaking. Pancakes are a popular breakfast food in many English-speaking countries, especially in the United States and Canada. Saying, I'm making pancakes, on a weekend morning can evoke feelings of comfort, family, and relaxation. It's not just about the food, it's about the experience and the love that goes into making a meal for family or friends. When you're learning English, understanding when and how to use phrases in real-life situations is crucial. Here are some tips on using I'm making pancakes. Use it to inform family members or guests about what you're preparing for breakfast. This phrase can be adapted to other foods and situations, such as I'm making coffee or I'm baking a cake. It's a versatile structure that you can apply in various contexts. Let's look closer at the grammar behind this simple phrase. The present continuous tense is formed by using the present tense of the verb, to be, am, is, are, plus the ing form of the main verb. It's used for actions happening at the moment of speaking. This tense can also be used for future arrangements, so understanding the context is key to grasping the meaning. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, I'm making pancakes, and helped you understand not just its literal meaning, but also its cultural implications and grammatical structure. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and rules. It's about connecting with people and their experiences. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be making pancakes, both literally and figuratively, with the best of them. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.